Hi, friends. Welcome to Distance Learning Week 5 already. I hope that you're enjoying the weather now because it's getting a little bit better outside, which is super nice. Maybe you're going for walks with your dog like me, or maybe you're sitting out on the porch and you're reading a book like I am. I don't know, but I hope you're able to get outside and do fun stuff and maybe getting your schoolwork done too. Okay, so this is your distance learning planner for week number 5. The main thing that you need to know is that your final research paper is due by Friday of this week. So for Monday, I want you to go in and look at where you submitted your draft of your paper last week. And I want you to look at all the little post-its and all the little editing and notes that I did on your paper. So click on where you turned in your assignment, and then you should be able to see all the little things that are comments from me that I gave you. So then I want you to work on fixing the errors, revising, editing the things, and going through the suggestions that I said and making those changes and fixes. For Tuesday, if I were you, it would be super helpful to know what the rubric for this paper looks like so that you know exactly what you're being graded on. So go find where it says Final Research Paper Turn-In, this spot right here. That shows you what the whole paper rubric looks like, and it tells you where all of your points and stuff are going. So please go and find that, read through it so you know exactly what you're being graded on. On Wednesday, I want you to use the thesaurus. Just make sure that you're using good word choices in your paper. Word choice matters. That's part of the rubric. I am grading you on your word choices. For Thursday, if I were you, I would work on editing still, revising. Read your paper out loud to yourself one time. Sometimes that helps you catch any errors that you have. Maybe ask a friend or a family member to proofread your paper for you. That will help you too. And then turn in your paper by Friday. There is not going to be a participation contract for this week just because I want your paper to be your sole focus. There's links down here from past weeks of things that might help you if you need them. Make sure your paper's in MLA format. Double check it's in Times New Roman, size 12 font. Make sure that if you have a partner, you each wrote at least one full page and your font color is the same color as your name at the top. So if my name is Lauren, my name in the top should be like the color pink, and then everything that I wrote should be in the color pink. Make sure the due date on the top is the actual due date. So it should be May 1st for the date at the top of your paper for the MLA format. If there's any other little questions that you have, please feel free to ask me. This research paper example down here will show you exactly what a final research paper should look like specifically, so utilize that. And you guys always email me if you need anything, if you have any questions, even if it's a simple little quick thing, I'm always here to email you back and help you out. So let me know what you need. Have a really great week. Good luck writing your paper. Let me know how I can help you. I'll talk to you soon.